Hey, and Kia ora tech folks, this is Asif from New Zealand, ICS NZ Limited. Have you ever thought about installing solar panels for your home? Well, I've got some news that might make you reconsider. This is the first silent home wind turbine that destroys solar panels, 1500 kWh of free electricity, introducing the revolutionary Liam F1 wind turbine, designed by the Dutch company Archimedes. This silent wind turbine could very well be the end of solar panels as we know them. First off, let me tell you about the Liam F1's design. Inspired by the Nautilus shell, this turbine features fronds that resemble the golden ratio in shape. This spiral rotor design allows it to capture wind from various directions, unlike traditional turbines that need wind to blow from specific angles. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk efficiency. The Liam F1 comes in two sizes, a larger version with a 1.5 meter rotor diameter, producing a net rated power of 550 watts, and a smaller one with a 0.75 meter rotor diameter, generating 100 watts. Both models operate at a noise level below 45 dB, which is super quiet compared to traditional turbines. So, no more annoying hums or disruptive noises in your garden. Another fantastic feature is its eco-friendliness. Unlike some older wind turbines, the Liam F1 is designed to be harmless to birds and bats. Plus, it combines lift forces with drag forces, increasing its wind power capture and overall efficiency. Talk about a win-win. But wait, there's more. Archimedes isn't stopping at just the Liam F1. They have exciting plans for the future, including innovative mini wind turbines for sailing ships and combined wind and solar systems. This approach is all about creating long-term, reliable, and versatile energy sources for both urban and rural areas. Sounds promising, doesn't it? Now you might be wondering why switch from solar panels to wind turbines. Well, experts have warned that seasonal changes can complicate solar panel efficiency, especially during fall and winter. With the Liam F1, you have a more consistent and reliable energy source, regardless of the weather. In conclusion, the Liam F1 wind turbine offers a silent, efficient, and eco-friendly alternative to solar panels. It's suitable for urban environments, your garden, and even marine applications. As we move towards a future with diverse renewable energy solutions, the Liam F1 stands out as a game changer. So, are you ready to say goodbye to solar panels and hello to the Liam F1 wind turbine? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates. Catch you in the next one.